This is a video of the install of the interior roof speaker trim. So we're gonna get ready to put that up there. They do have a proper placement with the narrow ends facing in towards the center, so you just want to make sure you have the correct one. And then you want to wipe off the surface with some rubbing alcohol to get it nice and clean and ready for application. The next step is applying an adhesion promoter onto the surface. That'll just help make it a little extra tacky so that the double-sided tape adheres. And the adhesion promoter, if you don't have, we usually send it along in the product package. If you need more or you run out or whatever, you can buy spray cans of it at the automotive store. Bulldog adhesion promoter. You just want to be really careful if you do that you spray it onto a rag first, because it is very sticky and it will get on surfaces that you don't want to be sticky. Alright, once your surface is ready, you're going to take the covering off of the double-sided tape that's on the back of your piece and just peel that off and get it ready for application. Alright, once you have all of the coverings off, you'll see on this particular one there's a couple different versions of the tape, so that is undone even though the tape is red looking, so it's ready to go. So you're just going to line it up and press. There you go. Look how nice that looks with those tiara paracords, giving a shout out.